Hello, my name is Novin Century. Currently, I am studying Master of Marketing. I choose International Marketing Management because I want to understand how global companies build strong brand, market their product ethically, and meet customer expectations. I select Nike because it is a globally recognized brand and has improved its sustainability and ethical practice over the year. Now I'll begin with my ethical approach. My ethical approach is based on four important values: honesty, responsibility, fairness, and sustainable success. I expect company to provide honest information instead of making misleading claims. I also believe business should take responsibility for how their actions affect a customer, employees, society, and the environment. Fair treatment is equally important to me because every worker deserves safe working conditions and fair wages. Finally, I believe companies that operate ethically are more likely to achieve long-term success because they earn customer trust and loyalty. This value influence the way I decide what product to buy and which brand I choose to support. Nike overall opinion. I believe Nike succeed more than its fail in marketing its brand. Although Nike faced criticism in the past over labor practice, I think the company has made meaningful improvement. Today, Nike focus on ethical manufacturing, sustainability, strong branding, emotional advertising, and recycle program. These improvements have helped to rebuild the customer trust and strengthen its global reputation. Ethical manufacturing. One reason I believe Nike has improved is its approach to ethical manufacturing. Nike introduced a supplier code of conduct, improve workplace safety, promote fair labor standards, and increase transparency in its supply chain. In my opinion, no company is perfect, but what matters is whether it is willing to recognize its mistake and improve. I believe Nike has taken positive steps, which is why many customers continue to trust the brand. Sustainability and packaging. Another reason I have a positive opinion of Nike is its commitment to sustainability. Though the Move to Zero initiative, Nike aims to reduce carbon emission, minimize waste, and use more recycled material. I also like that Nike uses recycled packaging material and work to reduce plastic waste. In my opinion, sustainable packaging is important because it helps it helps protect the environment while still meeting customer needs. This action shows the Nike is trying to balance the business success with the environment responsibility. Branding, positioning, and advertising. I think Nike's greatest strength is its branding and marketing positioning. Nike has positioned it as a premium sports and lifestyle brand. When people think of Nike, they often think quality, confidence, motivations, and achievement. It's just to do it slogan and the partnership with famous athletics creates a strong emotional connections with customer. I also I also believe Nike advertising is effective because it tells inspiring story instead of simply promoting the product. This makes customer feel connected to the brand and its value. disposal, and recycle. Another initiative I appreciate is Nike Reuse a Shoe program. Instead of throwing away old athlete shoe, customer can return them for recycle. The material are then used to build sports courts and playground. In my opinion, this is a good example of green marketing because it reduces waste and encourage responsible product disposal. It also shows that Nike consider environment impact of its product even a customer finished using them. To conclude, I believe market ethics should be an uh, important important part of every business. I prefer brands that are honest, responsibly fair, and fair and environmental friendly. Overall, my opinion is Nike succeed more than its failed because it has improved its ethical uh, practice, invest its sustainable, build strong global brand, and introduce responsible recycle initiative. Thank you for listening.